Are you seeking a compact printer to power your short labeling production? Look no further. With LX500ec, you will find the ideal solution to save money and time, making it the most affordable desktop label and tag printer. The LX500ec is a full-color printer that stands out for its vivid and vibrant prints. It utilizes inkjet ink, making the text and small details or images readable and resistant to scratches, even at temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. This makes it an ideal choice for specialty shops looking to brand their cold beverages. This printer empowers you to create on pre-cut material, regardless of whether it's in roll, fan fold, or tag form, while also enabling secondary printing for further personalization. Such flexibility will undoubtedly maximize your production. This printing solution isn't just for in-house use. They can also be your first step to innovate your brand. With us, you are always a step ahead.